right, y'all. We are in 29 Palms, California, heading to Joshua Trees National Park. We're gonna do some camping inside of Joshua Trees National Parks. Rich got his fingers crossed. We're going to the first come first serve, and kind of late, hoping we could get us a spot. If not, there's some boondockings in there. Docking that we can do inside the park. We'll do just that. So we are less than a mile away from the gate. We have made it to the entrance gate to Joshua Trees National Park. Now we got fingers, toes, eyes crossed, hoping we get us a first come, first serve campsite. Hello, yes, get them out. Oh. Oh, they need to stay shut down a little long. Hey. Okay. Okay, due to government shutdown today, there's no fee. So we're just gonna go on by. Maybe there's no camping fee either. All right. Oh. The campground might be closed. Rich said due to the government shutdown, it might be closed. But we won't know until we get there. So let's go. What's the name of the campground? Okay. Hidden Valley Campground is the first come, first serve. That's the one that we're looking for. I'm sure there's others in here. Okay, there's 3 first come, first serve, and about 4 paid campgrounds. Thank you. Y'all, keep your fingers and your toes crossed for us. Let us know. We're at mile marker 1 right now. With a little leaning like you mean it. And rolling like you study. We'll be back.
Intersection Rock. That's some wild. Oh, we gotta see all this stargazing area. It is considered a, what they call that, midnight sky, star something, international star skies. This is wild. Look, we're at site 20 at Hidden Valley Campground in Joshua Tree National Park. It's a first come, first serve campground. And look at this. Okay, taking stuff down so we can put our patches. Look at this. Our only cove, although not too much privacy if somebody used that table there. There's the bikes. This is absolutely wonderful. And we like wooded campgrounds, but this is off the cheesy. This is what's up. All right, y'all, we gotta set up.
So we're going out to a place called the Iron Door.
Iron Door. Say hi. We went to park rangers today, and they came around and checking the collect for people staying here. I'll tell you about that later. And now we're taking a hike that they're gonna take us on right behind our campsite. Excited. Yeah. Up, yo. Okay, going down around the door. There we go. I got it. Wow, inside of a cave, y'all. I'm gonna close it real quick. All right, the door is closed. And this is, wow. Wow. Don't wanna get stuck in here. Wow. And there's the door opening back up. And so I get out without busting my head. Wow. Oh my goodness. The story on it.
Well, it was Mr. Keys who had a ranch out here that supposedly, you know, put these rocks and steps in and everything and made this into a cave. I don't know what year it is from, but we're talking like, you know, 40 years ago.
Oh wow.
Or by humans.
Just jump, you good?
Just jump.
We're doing some exploring. This is one we're excited about because we passed the yesterday Skull Rock. It's supposed to look like a skull, but as you can see, it's a very touristy spot. So we're gonna kind of go over there and see, can we actually see a skull? See it?
Yeah.
So I'm going up there. I guess when you get close, I guess it won't look like a skull close up. From a distance, it looked like a skull, but close up, it don't. So that's it. Go between that way and then close up. It doesn't look like a skull close up, but I guess if we get up on top of these rocks from a distance, and you got to use your imagination, it look like a skull. Yeah, I can actually see it, but I'm assuming it probably looks better from a distance. So I'm going across the street on the other side of the street and climb on top of some of those rocks, and hopefully I can see the skull better than from where we are now. Okay, I'm on the opposite side of the street, hopefully get a better view, but I will have to get up high in order to see what Skull Rock look like, because from back here you can't really tell from where we are right now. And close up, Skull Rock is nice, and I see why they named it Skull Rock, but a lot of people there, a lot of tourists, and on this side no one. Look, isolated by myself. Trying to get a higher ground so maybe I can look down on it and see Skull Rock. But other than that, I guess that's all I got to bring y'all. Let's see. Okay, that's it right about there. I don't know if the camera will be able to zoom in. I can see the eyes and the head, but I can't see the mouth from back here. Can't get high enough to see it, but it's still impressive. I see cake down there. Anyway, we got some more exploration to do. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. Before we take the hike.
We are about to go walk this quarter mile through the Cholla cactus field. We will not be touching them.
Look at this. And they talking about the cactus, if you touch it, it's painful, penetrate your skin, and extremely hard to remove. And very, very painful. Okay, play around if you want to. This is gorgeous.
Look at the brown ones.
Whole field of these things. And once again, we still are in the national park of, what's the name of this place again? Joshua Tree. Joshua Tree National Park. Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. Self-guided tour, quarter of a mile, so we decided to take it.